Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix a delay on Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. So what you're going to need to do to fix a delay is a couple of different things. Firstly, make sure that your internet connection is stable. If it's not stable, it's going to take a while to load other Reels once you scroll them, and that might be causing you a disturbance. Now, the way that you can best do this is you can just go ahead and do a speed test online, and if it's not stable, you can try restarting your router and make sure that any other glitches aren't happening on your device. Use a troubleshooter if your system has one. If not, then you can search on the internet for your specific system how you can troubleshoot any issues with the network. Now, if that isn't the case, you can try contacting your ISP, which might be having a problem, and they'll fix it as soon as they can. And alternatively, if you're using your data, you should turn on data saver or power saver on your device, and also go into your comments, or not into your comments, your profile, then click on the three horizontal bars in the top right, scroll down until you get to your app and media, click on data usage, and make sure data saver is off. Data saver prevents videos from being loaded in advance, simply not to waste your data if you're not going to view future videos or other reels. And if you turn it on, then you'll need to load each reel when you're scrolling. If you turn it off, then reels will be preloaded, so you can just scroll and you will see fully functioning videos. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Other than that, it might be a software glitch, so you can go to your app marketplace, make sure that Instagram is updated to the latest version. If it is, try reinstalling it. If that doesn't work, try downgrading it to previous patch. Alternatively, you can also go to your storage, find Instagram, and make sure to delete the cache, since corrupted cache files do cause problems on many apps. So that is one of the most common issues with any mobile app. So yeah, just try that and that should work. However, if that doesn't work, then you're going to need to send a report or an inquiry to Instagram themselves. And if they are having a problem, they'll fix it as soon as they can. And they'll get back to you in 2 to 3 days approximately. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.